Got a cough that won't stop? Try these instant relief tricks. Hack 1. Suck on ice or take a sip of cold water. This soothes throat irritation fast. Hack 2. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth and swallow slowly. This reduces the urge to cough. Hack 3. Breathe in through your nose and exhale slowly through pursed lips. This calms the throat and stops coughing. Bonus tips. Take a spoonful of honey. It's a natural cough suppressant. Try these now and let me know which one worked. Comment "Cough" below and follow for more health hacks.